Hey there, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today's your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you a Van Morrison guitar lesson. And that's coming up. Welcome to your guitar guide, where I'm going to show you this guitar lesson on Into the Mystic by Van Morrison. If you check it out on YouTube, there's several different versions of this, and this is straight off the record. First thing you'll notice is we've got the capo on the 3rd fret. So if you don't have a capo, you need to get one to play this song. We're going to be playing in the feel of C, G, E minor, and F. And they're all easy chords, but it's the strumming. And the first part is, so when he's playing the C, he's hammering on the D string. So practice that. And then there's a so you need to mute the strings with this part of your hand right here. So we're going to go. So once you mute the strings, what you're doing is, the way I do it is strum down and mute the strings real quick. So at the beginning of the song it does that twice. After doing that twice, and the verse begins, there's no more muting the strings. It's and it goes to G. So practice this with me. And then when the foghorn blows, it's an E minor, F, C, E minor, F, G, back to C, G, into the mystic. And on the record, the album, there's some horns that you can hear, and it's or you could just strum through it, but I like to back to G, if you want to get the complete tab for this to help you play this song by Van Morrison, Into the Mystic, and check out the first link in the description.